In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Claude Opus 4.8 in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a more powerful Claude model for deeper reasoning, better writing, or advanced assistance, this quick tutorial will walk you through exactly where to go and what to select. And just a quick note before we begin. Claude Opus 4.8 is part of a paid subscription, so you'll need an eligible plan to use it. If this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Claude.ai. This is the official website for Claude, so make sure you're on the correct page before signing in. Once the site loads, log into your account using the email and the method you normally use for Claude. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first before you can continue. After you're signed in, look for the model selection drop-down inside the chat interface. This is where Claude lets you choose which model you want to use for your conversation. Click on that drop-down to open the list of available models. Now, from the model menu, select Opus 4.8. This will switch your session to that model, allowing you to start using it right away. Keep in mind that if you do not see Opus 4.8 listed, it usually means your account may not currently have access, or you may need to upgrade to a paid subscription that includes it. That's really all there is to it. Once Opus 4.8 is selected, you can begin chatting and using the model for your tasks. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where to look saves time and avoids confusion. If this tutorial helped you out, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.